The lights dim. A tall figure in a sharp black suit walks onto the stage. His smile is charming, his teeth unmistakable. "Good evening," he says. "If we don't hit our targets this quarter, well, I'd hate to drain any more resources. The entire company could shut down. Imagine explaining that to your kids." That's not just Dracula's leadership style. That's the appeal to fear. How Dracula motivates his team. It's persuasion through threat. Instead of proving why something is right, it warns what terrible thing will happen if you resist. You'll hear it in every kingdom, old or corporate. Follow the rules or chaos will devour us. Stay loyal or you'll lose everything. Don't question me, just imagine the consequences. If we let them win, the country will collapse. Without our product, your family isn't safe. Don't question the system or you'll ruin everything for everyone. Fear works, it paralyzes reason. Our ancient brains still think every shadow hides fangs. And that's why leaders, political, corporate, or undead, love it. But fear isn't evidence, it's control. It replaces curiosity with obedience. It builds silence, not understanding. How do you catch it? When someone makes you tremble before they make sense. Pause. Ask, is this threat real or just dramatic lighting? The appeal to fear thrives in the dark. It doesn't need truth, just an audience too scared to ask for it. So the next time someone says, "Do this or else," remember, that's not leadership. That's Dracula. Next, you're so brilliant, I bet you'll agree. We'll explore the appeal to flattery.
Think critically, see clearly. Searchlighter.